Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am. I am Januline Balani Awa. I am 36 years old, married. I have 5 kids. Under ages are 17, 18, 13, 9, and 6 years old. I am a high school graduate. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I am the second in the family.
Where do you live?
I live in Bukas, Pilar, Bohol.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am cheerful, honest, hardworking person. I can work under pressure with least supervision. I love to learn new things and I can follow my employer's instruction. I love cooking and exploring new dishes. I do cooking at home.
Why do you want to apply abroad?
I want to work abroad to support my family needs, to give my kids a better future, and to support their schooling of my children.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad and local?
Yes, ma'am. I have 5 years experience here in Bukal since 2019 to 2024.
What do you do in your employer's house? What is your duties and responsibilities?
My duties and responsibilities in my employer's house is taking care of the 3 years old child and washing dishes, cooking, and cleaning the house.
Do you have experience abroad?
No, ma'am. I don't have experience abroad.
Okay. Are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I am very much willing to take care of baby.
How do you take care of naughty children and children with temper tantrums? How about if the newborn baby is crying at night?
I will try to be attentive, and if the baby is crying at night, I will check the temperature of the baby. If the baby is sick, and if the baby is hungry, I will feed him a bottle of milk, and I will check also the diaper if the diaper is full, and I will change it.
Okay. What will you do if you become homesick?
I will remind myself that I am here to work abroad, and I will put in my mind that I will finish my 2 years contract.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am, I'm not scared.
Are you willing to take care of pets, even big dogs?
Yes, ma'am, very well.
How do you describe your cooking skills?
I love cooking. I know how to cook like sinigang, adobo, mumba, and pancit.
Are you willing to learn how to cook employers' dishes?
Yes, ma'am, I'm very much willing to cook.
Do you have any food allergy?
No, ma'am, I don't have any food allergy.
Do you eat everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing for me a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. The wheels on the road go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the road bus go round and round, round and round.
Do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any body tattoo?
No, ma'am, I don't have.
How about smoking?
No, I don't smoke.
Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the children or elderly persons?
Yes, ma'am, I am very willing.
Are you willing to share room with the children or elderly persons?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during day off and an employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your final message to your future employer abroad?
To my future employer, hi, ma'am, sir. Good day, my name is Januline Balani Awa, 36 years old, married. I have 5 kids. I want to work abroad to support my family and give them their needs. And I am cheerful, trustworthy, and hardworking person. I promise that I will finish my 2 years contract, and I am willing to learn to cook your native foods, and I'm willing to learn your native I hope to see you soon.
Thank you.